I was looking at some capris and I didn't even know that I had these. And this one, that one just doesn't fit. And that's how this video started. Hi, I'm Dee from Dee Lovey Life, and welcome into my closet, and welcome to another episode of Summer Declutter. Okay folks, this is not the first, nor will it be the last time in my closet. I was getting ready today and I was thinking to myself, God, there are some of the shirts back here that I just don't wear. And from my previous decluttering, I thought that maybe perhaps I would wear it, but it's been over a year now since the last time we went through this closet, and you know what, I haven't even reached for some of them. So I'm wondering to myself, why am I holding on to this? And it's taking up space, you know, just like how I finished the underneath the bathroom sink. It was like, gotta just be cutthroat, D, just gotta be cutthroat and just get rid of it, because either by now it's probably out of style, two, I'm just not, I don't have enough hangers. I don't have enough of my hangers to hang up my summer stuff. And hello, it's like towards the end of summer now, and I really don't want to wear these back here, all of my winter tops, because I don't know, I think it's just time to get a new wardrobe, you know? Not go overboard, but I definitely don't want to buy clothes on top of clothes that I don't even wear anymore. So I'm just going to take a wee bit amount of time to go through here. It's not going to be like a full declutter. It's nothing going to be about organizing or cleaning. We're just going to go straight to the declutter. First of all, this is my little dumping ground. And the reason why this one is there, because one of the ties, it completely broke, and when you put it on, it doesn't wear like it used to, you know what I mean? So, and hello me, I'm just like in a rush and I just go, yeah, that's not gonna work. So I mean, you can wear it though. I guess you can put a tank top or whatever, but you know, let's face it, I don't know. Yeah, I think that's why I just stuck it there. It's been there for a couple of months now, so I'm gonna go ahead and just donate that. Maybe someone else can wear it. I am just not reaching for that. These ones here in the front are usually what I wear. From here back are the ones I really don't reach for. So I'm just going to take some time and go through it, because why am I holding on to things in my closet? Let me go through here real quick. And that's a keep. These are my tanks. Keep. This one should be over here. Oh, and that's another thing. I've already told Jay that he needs to go through his clothes, and he agrees. I just need to make some time. And we'll get him to declutter that side. Let me know in the comments down below if that's something that you would like for me to film, of getting your husband's stuff decluttered. Okay, so that one is going to be a keep. That will be a keep. This one, I usually like wearing it. You guys remember Vlogtober? Oh my god, I can't believe Vlogtober is almost here already. I like this shirt a lot, but the thing is, I noticed that when I'm wearing it now, it just makes me look bigger than what I'm already currently at right now. So now I'm not reaching it to wear anymore. So I'm thinking, we'll go ahead and donate that one. Although I like this shirt, don't get me wrong, but I just don't like how it hangs on me, if that makes any sense. Okay, so that's going to be a donate. That's a tank that goes in my drawer. Okay, that's a keep. That's a keep. That's a keep. Okay, here we go. Oh, man. If I'm gonna go anywhere, yeah, I better keep that one. Here is a donate. I like this one. It's just that you can just see, so I don't know, it's nice. I mean, I've worn it a few times, but the times that I worn it, I didn't like how it really looked, because it just showed like everything, you know what I mean? You know what I mean, right? Like every fold increase. And you have to make sure you wear the right proper bra, you know, to go underneath that. So I'm going to go ahead and donate that too, as I just don't want to wear it because of that. It's just too much of a problem. Okay, keep. Okay. Oh man, these are, all right. I don't really wear this anymore. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, I just don't wear that one. I don't know. I'm only going to keep one of these because I really don't need both of them, but aren't they pretty? Look, it's like a sheer. And just put a black cami underneath it and you're good to go. Out of these two, this is like the same style. I like it. Like it has a little bling bling, sparkly blings on those. I don't know if the camera's, I don't know if you can see that in the camera. But I think I'm going to go ahead and keep that one and then go ahead and donate that one. So that one's going to be a keep. Okay, let me go in the back there now. I'm back here. I'm not going to. No, and no. That one will be a yes. I think I'm going to keep those. Okay. Keep. Here. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and depart with this one too. It's pretty. Has a little rhinestone, little buttons on it. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and I never reached for that one. And I'm going to go ahead and say goodbye to this one too, because I don't really wear this one as well. So I'll donate that. So actually, look at that. I don't have that many shirts anymore. Yay! Making progress, people, making progress. So here are my jeans, basically. I don't know if I have many to get rid of. Keep. It's these ones back here. Let's pull these ones. These two pair of jeans, you guys, are my one day I'm gonna fit back into jeans, because I really loved how, let's face it, we all have that pair of jeans where we just totally think we look good in. Give me a thumbs up if you know what I mean. And I have kept these for over 10, no, not 10 years. I like 8 years, and I've kept these in every single closet declutter I have done. So today, you guys, wah, wah, wah. D, you're gonna get rid of them finally. And there's, gives me more space. I mean, I have gone down one size in jeans. This one would be 2 sizes to go down. Not saying that I will never hit my goal of going 2 sizes down in pant size, but if I've had these for that long, yeah, chances are these will probably be out of date or out of style, and frankly, I'll probably want something else. So we're gonna go ahead and say no to this one. But I'm looking at this one, which is my favorite one, and I'm thinking this might still fit. You know, growing up with a single mom, I did a lot of my school shopping at the flea market, and one lady, I remember, she didn't have any fitting rooms. I mean, a pair of jeans for a single mother back in the 80s, it was like hard. Well, I'm sure it's still hard nowadays, but back then at the flea market, if you didn't try it on first and it didn't fit, you were basically screwed for the rest of the year, because my mom couldn't afford to buy new jeans all the time. Buying my clothes at the flea market, I always had to make sure that they had a fitting room so I can try them on, you know, so that my mom wouldn't waste her money. But one time, I'll never forget this one lady showed us a trick, if you guys haven't known. So you take the jeans and you place it around your neck. And if it fits around your neck, chances are it's going to fit around your waist. Oh, and look. So, I'm thinking these, I'm going to try it on and see if they fit. Hold on. Holy moly, Batman. They fit. Wow. Okay. Well, I guess I'll keep these. Oh my goodness, just for the kicks of it, I tried on that other one for 2 sizes down on my jeans. They're right here. Check it out. They actually fit. Wow, I'm really surprised. I'll take it. So I think that's going to be it for the pants situation. I do have 2 capris I'm going to be getting rid of. Alright, let's go to shoes. Now you guys know I'm not a total shoe person, okay? So, just saying that. I don't really own that many. The ones that I do, I make sure that I do wear them. I have these. I think I'm going to have to find a newer style, but I do like that heel because I don't like too much of a high heel. Let's talk about these. Even for me, these are still high for me. I don't know. I haven't really worn them, but shoot, I hate to get rid of these though, just in case if I do have to go somewhere. Yeah, at least when I have one, and it's a neutral color, so I think I think it's better off for me to keep those. Here we go. These ones. I haven't worn these in over a couple of years now, and every time I declutter, I keep holding on to these, and I don't think I'm gonna be grabbing these as much. Since I purchased these Uggs that will kind of tuck in over these guys, so I rather wear these than these. So I'm gonna go ahead and donate these. Let's see, keep. Oh, my thrift store finds. You guys, I haven't worn these yet because of the whole pandemic situation. I need to wear those. I definitely need to wear those. Oh, here's another one I've been keeping. It's pretty. Look, I was going to have it on a garage sale. These are made by Circa. Look, barely even used. I probably wore them maybe like, I don't know, maybe 3 times. I just don't grab them. I don't grab them. They make a lot of noise and they scuff up my floors. I don't know. But they're still in really good condition. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and I'm going to have to depart with these guys. Yeah, I don't know why I'm keeping them. I mean, I don't know. I just don't feel like they're very comfortable for myself. So I'm going to go ahead and depart with these ones. Anything else in here? Oh, those. Let's see, what are these? Oh no, we like these ones. We're going to keep those. And that's it. That's it for the shoes. Told you I don't really have that much, but hey, at least I got rid of a couple. Okay, through here, I don't really see anything that I really want to depart with. I like to keep some of my semi-business outfits here, just, you know, just to have. I have a couple of my suits that that are fairly new. Some of them still have the price tag on them, and you know, they're just, what do you call those things, as time capsule type of wardrobes. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep all that there, but I think I made a pretty good dent in everything. Oh, you know what? God, I love this sweater. But I think it's time to say goodbye to this sweater. The tie is kind of, yeah. Or should I keep it? You know what? I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this one. it's time for me to find another one, I think. So we'll go ahead and donate this one. Bye-bye. Had a good time with you. Many memories. Okay, then out of the capris, I'm going to go ahead and depart with that one. Oh, these are my jeans. Okay, for sure. I know for sure that one. And I think this one too. Yeah, okay. Okay, you guys. So there we go. Found this one that I wore for somebody's wedding. And I've never worn it again. So these are going to be donated. I think I've only worn these once. These are also going to be donated. Okay. So I don't have that many shoes there. And I got rid of more shirts, so that's good. And I took my time through here, got rid of a couple of things, not much, but I also found that 2 of the jeans fit, so yay me. I have more hangers now, and that's it. So that didn't take that long to just go randomly through my closet, which I really needed to, because it just didn't make sense of keeping certain shirts that I was like, why am I even keeping those? I don't know. But anywho, like I said, it's not my first time decluttering. I'll leave all of the playlists to all of my decluttering videos in the description box below, along with my fellow YouTuber friends with their collabs that I have also joined in. Regardless, wherever you are in your decluttering journey, if you're a beginner, if you're to whatever, I mean, there's no wrong or right way of decluttering, but if you just take a few minutes of your day and just tackle an area, then you're on the right track. Okay guys, I gotta put on my caregiver hat now and get on with my day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, give me a thumbs up. If you like my style decluttering videos, then make sure you hit that subscribe icon there in the playlist here.